Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make new Google Gmail ID in your Play Store in Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Play Store and here it is asking for sign in. You have to click on it. If you have existing account, you can just simply enter your Gmail ID over here and enter the password and you're signed in. And if you have not any account, just click on create account and then you have to choose for my personal use. If you are using your account, then you have to click on this for my child, for work on or my business. If you are working in a business or something, you have to create your business ID. Click on for my personal use and here you have to write the name like this and click on next. Then you have to enter all these details like where your birth date, month, date, year, like this. Then click on mail and click on next, and then you have to create a new Gmail ID over here like this. Then click on anything and remove the gap space or don't write in capital letters and press next, and you can see that username is taken. Then you have to try next like this. These are available ones. Click on next and then you have to enter the password like this and click on next, and your Gmail ID is created successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.